Hello and welcome. My name is Isaac Nanopoku. I'm very happy to take you through how to create an invoice today with Build. Build is an application that has been designed to help you and any other business owner to be able to handle your accounting, your tax, your payroll, and your finance operations so easily and so conveniently. Today we are going through how to create an invoice and send that invoice to a customer. To do that, you come to Income. At the left pane here, you click on Income. You can see here under Income, Invoices and Codes. Click on Invoices and Codes. Now it opens this interface for you. So at this interface, you look at the lower right corner here, you can see this plus sign here. Kindly click on that. When you click on that, it tells you two things: Codes, Invoice. So you can choose to create a code or you can choose to create an invoice, but our focus here is to create an invoice. So we click on Create an Invoice. It opens the invoice page for us. At the invoice page, we are told to select a customer. So we come here and we select the exact customer we are sending the invoice to. So let's say we are sending the invoice to Amin. So we click on Amin. Our customer is rightly selected. We come down here and we choose the payment terms. This talks about the number of period or how long you are giving the customer to pay that particular amount. If it is on receipt, which means the customer is paying immediately, you choose that. However, if you are giving the customer a particular time frame, you can choose from the list here if it falls within your preference. If it is outside your preference, then you can define your credit period by just changing the due date. You leave the issue date, but you change the due date. So let's say we want to give this customer a 1 week period, so we choose 27, and that defines the 1 week period for you. You scroll down a little bit, and at the lower right corner here, you can see add items. So here you add the item or the product or the service that you are offering to that particular customer, that is Amin. So here we want to offer, say, adult diaper to Amin. So we choose that. Let's see how it reflects by scrolling down a little bit. So we see our adult diaper here. Let's say the price is 2,000 cedis and we are selling to Amin, and this item is subject to VAT flat. So we choose our VAT flat and it calculates the amount involved for us in terms of the VAT. When we are done with everything, let's say we are done with everything, there is no other thing to be done here. When you are done, you scroll up again, and at the top right corner here, you can see Save. You click on Save, and your invoice opens up automatically to you. Now you can see here the heading is Invoice Billed to Amin. You can also see here the payment terms 20th to 27, stating clearly a 1 week period. You can also see the payment status as not paid, and down here you are seeing the transaction details, the item being sold. Then you're also seeing the price, the selling price or the unit price for the item, the quantities being sold, the total amount. Then when you scroll down to the very bottom, the amount due tells you the exact amount that the customer is supposed to pay. So with this invoice that has been created, you can easily download this invoice and save it on your computer by clicking on this button. You can email it to your customer by clicking on this button. Then you can also print it and give it to the customer by hand delivery if the customer is with you. So in this example or in this video, our focus is to send to the customer. So we click on this. So we are told this customer, look at the notification here, this customer has no email. Let's click on it again, see the notification again. This customer has no email. Please add an email to this customer before you can send invoices. So it tells you that it is important at the stage where you are creating your customer, remember to always indicate their email. If their emails are not indicated, you cannot send an invoice to a customer via email. That is very, very important. So assuming Amin had an email, we could have easily sent this to Amin by checking this button, and we are good to go. Thank you so much for making time to watch this video. This video is by Built Accounting Services. We are always ready to assist you in any way. Thank you and do enjoy your day.